everyone, Serena B here and welcome back to my crafty channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make some decorative Christmas embellishment boxes. Now, I'm really excited. I had posted these two on my Instagram and a lot of yous really liked what I made and wanted to see a tutorial from me. So in today's video I'm going to make one and I'm going to show you different things that I like to include in my embellishment boxes. And hopefully this will inspire you guys to give it a try and to look through your crafty stash for goodies that you can share with your pen pals. So I'm going to show you really quickly these two embellishment boxes I made first. So this was the first one I made. So I used the Merry Days collection from Crepe Paper and a couple of things from my stash. The black washi is actually from Fa La La from Crepe Paper's last year collection. And then I have some stickers and random things from my stash. So this is the first box. And I included a bunch of goodies from my stash. Some sequins, some stickers, there's some rhinestones, a clothespin, a tree. This is really fun. This is like garland, but you can cut it up and use them as individual pieces. So I included it in gold and silver. Some washi tape, some glitter tape, some 3D embellishment with glitter, some ribbon. These are fun. These are like little, I'll show you one from here. These are like little puffy fabric little snowflakes. Then in here I have some clear snowflakes. These are acrylic. I don't know if you guys can see that okay. I included some in the large and small size. Some of these blingy bits, these are like pearl rhinestones. So yeah, a lot of fun stuff can go in here. You can fit so many things. This is the second one, again using the Merry Days collection. I use a couple of the washi tapes. These two are from my stash. This is a cut apart piece that I just trimmed a little bit to fit the box, a chipboard piece, and then the rhinestones and the little snowflakes are from my stash. So I have some of these glittery foam stockings. I have some of these little bulbs that I trimmed from these floral sprays. I have some more of those blings that are pearled. I have some silver sequins. So I try to make the middle row all silver embellishments. Included some of the snowflakes from the front cover, some glitter tape, and in here I have a couple of the chipboard from the Merry Days collection. What I did was I just removed the sticky bit and also removed a couple layers of the chipboard so that it would fit easier. And then this is like a layered dimensional sticker and then a couple of other stickers from my stash. So it's all here and I think it looks really cute. And now we're gonna make one together. So these are the embellishment boxes that I like to use. They are large enough for a lot of fun goodies and not too big and not too small. And I got these at my local dollar store. I think you can find these at Dollar Tree in the tool section. There are 11 compartments and one larger one here, so I usually use this for larger embellishments and stickers. So to begin with, I like to remove this part here. If you can see that plastic hanging bit, I like to just cut that off. You can keep it on if you'd like and then hang stuff off of it, but I just don't like the look of it. So there you go. Comes off pretty easy. Before we start filling the box, let me show you what I put together. So these are some examples of things you can include in your embellishment boxes. You can include some ribbon or some fibers. So there's some twine here. You can include different bows. Again, this is that garland and I just like to cut a bit so that they can use on their projects. So I have silver and gold. I have some of these really cute puffy drinks stickers from Michaels. I have another one of my favorite little Santa clips. I got these in Norway or Copenhagen and I love them so much. I always try to share a couple with my pen pals. You can include some tassels. This one is a cute little floral tassel. I have these like resin pieces also. These are cute little trees that you can include. It's a bunch of different things. Whatever you have in your stash that you want to cut up and share, feel free to include in your embellishment boxes. Let's start with the embellishment box. I like to start filling up the box first and I'm going to add some crinkly bits to the middle to like kind of add some more texture to the box. I have some white crinkly paper, so I like to just break some apart, scrunch them up and add some into each compartment. Alright, that looks good. I'm going to add some of these iridescent crinklies that I got in some Happy Mail from a pen pal all the way from Amsterdam, so that was really fun. So what I like to do is take a few strands and just trim it because it's really long. So if you have some of these iridescent crinkly bits, you can also do this. So I like to just trim a bit and have them fall into the compartments. This just makes the box a lot funner and prettier to look at when you have the light bouncing off of some of these shiny bits. So you can see I'm just putting them a little bit everywhere, and they're kind of coming out of the box compartments, and that's totally fine. I think I'm going to leave it like that for now. I can always go back and add some more. So now I'm going to fill up the little compartments. I'm going to try and make all of this, or as much as I can, fit in here. So to start with, I'm going to use the stickers in the longer compartment. So this is really easy, guys, and it's a great way to get rid of some of your stash. If you have a lot of goodies that you want to give to pen pals, it's a fun way to do that. And I'm going to include these rhinestones. So you can fit so much in these little compartments. So I think I'm going to add some of this fiber. This is like gold eyelash trim. So let me add this one here. I'll put this one here. Since, I don't know, just for fun, there's gold on both corners, I'm going to put silver on this corner. And then I also have this little Santa clip, so I'm going to put them here with these little Christmas trees and maybe a couple of jingle bells. I'm going to add some of these pearl accent stickers. So let me put this here. How cute does that look? Let me put the snowman because that's my favorite. Okay, so cute. So we have some sequins. Let's put that here. I want to include this little floral tassel. I think she would really like that. So I'm going to include some of these little bows as well. Let me put that here. Have some ribbon. Add this here. The ribbons. You can also include little washi samples, so I think I might do that. So in spaces like this that there aren't that many stickers or whatever, just add more crinkle paper so it puffs up the stickers. So this way it doesn't just fall to the bottom and it's, you know, it's more raised. Crinkle paper is your best friend for these boxes. I don't have green or red, but that would look really, really cute. And I try to tailor the box to each pen pal, including items and stickers that I know they're gonna like or that they're gonna enjoy to use. So keep that in mind, you know, don't just put whatever. Try to tailor it to your pen pal and the things that they like. Okay, so I changed things up a little bit. I included those bling bows behind here with the other embellishments, and I added this green bow here instead. And I also wrapped some of this really pretty gold and pink washi on this green little bobbin. So I'm going to include that here. And I used green because I was trying to, you know, add more green to the box. Perfect. I like the way this is looking. So I'm going to just trim a couple more of these little iridescent things. Oh, and I also like to add fake snow on the top, so I'm going to do that. So I have some iridescent fake snow, and I'm just going to sprinkle it randomly on top. Okay, and there you have it. This is the inside of the embellishment box, and let's start decorating the front. Alright, so for the front, I gathered some papers that I might want to use. I am using the Merry Days collection like I mentioned before. And what I like to do is go to my scraps first, but I do have some full sheets here that I pulled out. The box sticks up, there's like a little raised effect here, but I'm just going to cover the inside portion. And I'm really liking the Santa, so maybe I can use a Dear Santa and make a really cute scene. I think this is what I'm going to use. I'm really liking this. But I decided to use my Tombow Mono Dots adhesive. So by using this adhesive, my thought was when my pen pal is done using all the goodies in the box and she wants to reuse it to make her own embellishment box, she can easily lift this off and keep it to use as a decorative element on her own projects, and then she can reuse the box. This just gives my pen pal a lot more options. Go. I like the red. So I went ahead and cut the ephemera card a little bit so that it can fit. I also took this 3x4 card. This is from the cut apart sheet, the 12x12, and I just trimmed it a little bit so that it fits the cover a little bit better. And what I decided to do is have it peeking out like this. I think that looks really cute. So I'm gonna do some kind of layering effect like this here. So let's start gluing things down. The thing I like about this glue is that there's a lot of wiggle room. If I put something down, I can lift it up and it's not going to remove the paper on the bottom. It's not going to damage anything. It gives you a lot of time to play. That is why it's my favorite scrapbooking adhesive. I use it for all my projects, project life, you name it. A little bit off, like to the side, a little crooked like that. So I like this. Yeah, I'm liking that. Okay. So I went through my stickers and chipboard and I decided to use the swan. I think she's so cute. I have this sticker sheet here and I like the presents. So immediately when I saw these two, I knew I needed to layer them. I also have this little leaf from the sticker pack that I want to use. First, I'm going to add some dimension to the sticker. And what I like to do in this case, I like to use packaging. So I have this little scrap of packaging and I'm just going to cut a little strip behind the present here, like that. And it just gives a little bit more dimension. It's not too popped up like foam would do, and it just raises up a little bit from your project. Yeah, that's better. Okay. So I just did a double layer and it just raises up a little bit more. So my plan was to kind of do like a little scene and then use that leaf under. Okay, so let me just glue that down like that. It's not quite how I like it. And as you can see, I lifted it up, no damage. If I use something more permanent, that probably wouldn't have happened. Okay, so I'm going to continue fidgeting a little bit with this placement until I get it right. So I'm going to move this present a little more towards the swan just to fill up that open space a little bit better. Like that. So I'm going to add this chipboard piece here to the corner. I think it looks really cute. And I want to maybe use some puffy stickers or I think some of these stickers. Yeah, this is going to look cute to kind of tie in that gold. Okay, so let's use some of these little asterisks, thingamabobs. I don't know where to put you. Okay, so let me add some bling first. I lifted up the paper here a little bit with the stickers, so I'm gonna make sure to cover that up with a blingy bit. 2 reds to kind of tie in the red because there's a lot of green, but I want to tie in the red a little bit more. Okay, so let me add. Ooh, should I add red on the little hollies? Will that look cute? Yeah, I think so. Okay. Also helps use up the bling that I have. It's kind of cute. Yeah, I think I'll leave that there like that. Okay, so I want to use this somehow. Oh, that's cute. Doodad over here, and I'm liking that. But I feel like I need a gold element on this side just because it's too much. It's too heavy on that side. Is that? Oh, I like that there. Okay, I'm putting it up here. Committing. Let me just fix it a little bit. There we go. Perfect. I really like how this turned out. I think it's so adorable. So this is my completed embellishment box. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. Let me show you the inside one more time. There's a really fun selection of goodies here for my pen pal. And I think it looks really fun and festive. And I'm really excited about it. Again, by using the adhesive I did, she can take this out and use it in her projects or in her scrapbooking or even December daily. So it's like a little fun and decorative element for her as well, like an extra bonus. These are the 3 embellishment boxes I made. Let me know which one's your favorite. And I will link to all the products I use down below if you guys are interested in picking them up for yourself. And I thank you for being here with me. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Have a great day, guys. Bye!